Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel's surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify them using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Locate your door panels and lay them on your work surface with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Attach the rubber bumpers to the front corners of each door panel. Insert the soft close hinges into the large pre-drilled holes and fasten them using your drill and the provided screws. Set your door panels aside. Locate your first side panel and lay it on your work surface with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Insert the adjustable shelf supports into the pre-drilled holes. Use your claw hammer to straighten your supports and gently tap them into place. Add a small amount of wood glue to the dowel holes at the top of your side panel. Locate your cabinet's top panel. Align the dowels with the holes on your side panel and push firmly. Gently tap the connection points with your mallet to eliminate any gaps. Locate the back panel of your cabinet box and slide it into place. Push firmly to ensure the back panel is seated entirely within the grooves on the top and back panels. Use your nail gun followed by your drill and screws to secure where the back and top panels meet. Add a small amount of wood glue to the dowel holes toward the bottom of your side panel. Locate the bottom panel of your cabinet box and align the dowels with the pre-drilled holes on your side panel. Gently tap the bottom panel with your mallet to eliminate any gaps. Ensure the back panel is firmly seated within the joint grooves on your bottom panel. Then use your nail gun followed by your drill and screws to secure where the back and bottom panels meet. Add a small amount of wood glue to the dowel holes toward your side panel's middle. Locate your fixed shelf panel and align the dowels with the pre-drilled holes on your side panel. Gently tap the shelf panel with your mallet to eliminate any gaps. Ensure the fixed shelf stands straight up and secure where the back and fixed shelf panel meet using your drill and screws. Add a small amount of wood glue to the dowels on your top, bottom, and fixed shelf panels. Locate the remaining side panel and align the pre-drilled holes with the dowels on your cabinet box. Gently tap the side panel with your mallet to eliminate any gaps and ensure it's flush with the rest of the panels on your cabinet box. Use your nail gun to secure where the side panels meet the top, bottom, and fixed shelf panels. Turn your cabinet box over. Use your mallet to gently tap the connection points where your side panel and the other panels on your cabinet box meet. Once you ensure there are no gaps and all panels are correctly seated, use your nail gun to secure all connection points. Insert the shelf supports into the pre-drilled holes inside your cabinet box. Straighten the supports and gently tap them into place with your hammer. Locate your cabinet doors and lay them on your work surface with the free end of the hinges inside your cabinet box. Ensure there's a space equal to roughly the depth of a credit card between the door panels and the side panel of your cabinet box, as well as between the top and bottom door panels. Secure the hinges to the side panel using your drill and the provided screws. Test that the doors close smoothly and properly align with the cabinet box. Carefully stand your cabinet box upright. Lastly, locate your adjustable shelves and set them on the shelf supports. Congratulations on completing your assembly.